damn kingdom. 'Cause I'm so sick of it, feeling so unachieved. And this time wilderness won't let me back. Always gonna run away, still think about it in my sleep. I'm in everybody's doorway, but I can't find the keys. Maybe I should do it your way. It seems so hard to fight, but the scars under your skin probably look like mine.
These two sides are sure to draw a big crowd, and there's no exception today. The team are lining up in a 4-4-2 formation. Referee gets this match underway. Defender then back on the ball. Already good passing now. Neymar. That will be the goalkeeper's ball then. Here's Varane. Mbappe. Great understanding between this team. Now it's Griezmann. It's Messi with the ball. Confident pass. Oh, this is good stuff. And he's stayed onside. It could be a chance here. Oh, and it's saved by the goalkeeper. Let's have a look at that one again. Short corner then. Oh, and it's in. And that was a bullet header there. No chance for the keeper. Few fancied them to win today, but they've taken the lead with that goal. He's headed the ball forward. And he shoots. He should do better there. Let's see that one again. The keeper passes it straight to his player. Here's Varane. Salah. It's Messi with the ball. Oh, confident defending. And well out. Now Lukaku. Finds his teammate. Great chance here. And he hits it. And they've equalised. Well, as you can see, he was a long way out there, but he connected sweetly to put the ball in the back of the net. The replay will give us a closer look. Celebrations are over, so the ref starts things up again. Their passing has been so accurate. Neymar! Oh, the bar's still shaking. What a hit. He got that pass all wrong. That's not like him. Can he finish it? Shoot! That's into the side netting. Goal kick. That's unlike him. Normally he finds a net from there. Keeper put his boot behind that. Headed on. We're into time added on now. What an opportunity. He got a good hand behind that. And there's the whistle. It's half time. They brought on a few substitutes for the second half. So neck and neck at half time. Next 45 minutes should prove decisive here. Played back to the goalkeeper. He goes for goal, and he struck it so sweetly. Amazing goal. A chance to have a better look here. So we're back underway. I wonder how that goal's going to affect this game. Good clearance there. And it's Ronaldo. Here's Varane. He clears the ball to safety. He's onside here. Great chance here. Fantastic stop. Let's take another look at that. Ball played short. Oh, the keeper's blocked that one. Alba. goal now. And it's level. Determined work from the player and his team to get them back into the game. Here's Varane. That's nicely played. Long ball then. That's good link-up play. Defenders are looking to the assistant for the flag. Stays down. Easy for the goalkeeper there. He's headed the ball forward. Can you believe what you're seeing here? Emotional scenes. Fantastic work from the goal scorer and his team. A much-deserved goal. And here's the build-up to that great goal. Are we going to see any late goals? Defender in possession. Oh, it's a clear chance. Not a great challenge. Well, he's got to be off. It's a straight red. Can he get a shot in? We're into time added on now.